Have you ever felt your hands or feet go cold even when the room isn't? Or maybe you've noticed a strange tingling in your fingers or toes that just won't go away. You tell yourself it's nothing, but deep down, you wonder if your body's trying to tell you something. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Poor circulation is incredibly common, yet often misunderstood. It's one of those silent issues that creeps in slowly, affecting your energy, your comfort, and sometimes even your mood. So today, let's sit together, just you and me, and talk about what's really going on inside your body when circulation isn't at its best. We'll uncover 7 key symptoms of poor circulation, understand the science behind each one, and talk about how you can start improving it, one gentle step at a time. 1. Cold hands and feet. Let's start with one of the most obvious signs: constantly cold hands and feet. When your circulation slows down, your body struggles to deliver warm, oxygen-rich blood to your extremities. The arteries in your hands and feet may narrow due to issues like atherosclerosis, the buildup of fatty plaques in blood vessels, or even chronic stress that triggers vasoconstriction, the tightening of blood vessels. A study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that people with reduced peripheral blood flow often report temperature fluctuations in their hands and feet, especially in cold environments. Your body naturally prioritizes your core organs, the heart, lungs, and brain, so when circulation is limited, the limbs are the first to lose out on warmth. Simple things like regular movement, keeping hydrated, and avoiding smoking can help keep your vessels open and blood flowing smoothly. 2. Tingling or numbness in the extremities. That pins and needles feeling in your fingers or toes can be more than just uncomfortable. It's your nerves signaling distress. When blood flow is restricted, your peripheral nerves don't receive enough oxygen or nutrients to function properly. The peripheral nervous system relies on consistent blood supply from tiny vessels called vasa nervorum. When these vessels narrow or get damaged, nerve conduction slows down, causing numbness or tingling. This is especially common in people with diabetes, peripheral artery disease, PAD, or chronic smokers. Science tells us that regular cardiovascular exercise can improve endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to expand and contract, and even restore small vessel health over time. 3. Fatigue and lack of energy. Do you ever feel tired even after getting enough rest? Poor circulation could be partly to blame. Your muscles and organs depend on oxygen and nutrients to produce energy through a process called cellular respiration. When circulation is sluggish, oxygen delivery drops, and so does your energy. A study published in the European Heart Journal highlights that reduced blood flow limits oxygen uptake by muscles during physical activity, leading to early fatigue and poor stamina. That's why even simple tasks, like climbing stairs or walking short distances, can suddenly feel exhausting. Simple lifestyle habits such as stretching every hour, staying hydrated, and eating iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, or red meat can support better oxygen transport and reduce tiredness linked to circulation. 4. Swelling in the legs or feet. If your legs or ankles tend to swell, especially by evening, it might be a sign that your blood isn't circulating efficiently. When blood flow is impaired, fluid can leak out of capillaries and collect in surrounding tissues, a condition known as edema. The venous system plays a crucial role here. Veins have tiny valves that help push blood back up to your heart against gravity. But if these valves weaken, blood can pool in your lower limbs, causing swelling, heaviness, and discomfort. This is often seen in people who sit or stand for long periods, or those with chronic venous insufficiency. Medical experts recommend elevating your legs for 15 to 20 minutes daily, wearing compression socks, and staying active to help prevent fluid buildup. 5. Slow healing of wounds. Have you noticed that small cuts or bruises on your legs take forever to heal? That's another classic symptom of poor circulation. Wound healing requires a constant supply of oxygen, white blood cells, and nutrients to rebuild tissue and fight off infection. When blood flow is compromised, this repair process slows down dramatically. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, chronic poor circulation can weaken the immune response and lead to ulcers or infections, especially in people with diabetes or PAD. In fact, one study found that even a mild reduction in peripheral blood flow can delay skin regeneration by up to 40%. If you notice delayed wound healing, it's not something to ignore. It's your body's way of signaling deeper vascular issues that deserve attention. 6. Brain fog and poor concentration. Here's something people often overlook. Circulation doesn't just affect your limbs. It affects your brain too. Your brain consumes about 20% of your body's oxygen supply. When blood flow to the brain decreases, even slightly, you may experience mental fatigue, memory lapses, or a foggy feeling. Researchers from Harvard Medical School found that decreased cerebral blood flow can impair cognitive function and even contribute to long-term conditions like dementia. Poor circulation reduces glucose delivery to brain cells, slowing neurotransmitter production, the chemical messengers responsible for focus, clarity, and mood. Hydration, consistent exercise, and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, can significantly improve blood flow to the brain and help clear that mental fog. 7. Varicose veins or discolored skin. Finally, visible changes in your skin like varicose veins, bluish tones, or patchy discoloration can reveal what's happening beneath the surface. When circulation slows, deoxygenated blood pools in veins, especially in your legs, leading to that bluish tint or bulging veins. The condition is more common in women, people who stand for long hours, or those with genetic predisposition. Science shows that poor venous return causes pressure buildup in superficial veins, leading to inflammation and vein wall weakening. A 2018 study in Circulation Research found that improving overall vascular elasticity through regular aerobic exercise can reduce varicose vein symptoms and support healthier skin tone. The bigger picture. Poor circulation isn't just about cold hands or swollen feet. It's about how well your body nourishes itself. Every heartbeat sends life-giving oxygen and nutrients to your organs, your muscles, and your mind. When that flow slows down, your body begins to whisper, then shout that something's not right. But here's the good news. You have the power to change it. Simple, consistent habits can make a big difference. Move more. Even a brisk 20-minute walk a day improves blood vessel function. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your blood volume healthy and your vessels flexible. Eat for circulation. Include foods like garlic, citrus, berries, and leafy greens. They are rich in nitric oxide, which helps open up your blood vessels. Avoid smoking. Nicotine constricts blood vessels and reduces oxygen delivery. Manage stress. Chronic tension tightens arteries. Deep breathing, stretching, or meditation helps them relax. If you've recognized yourself in some of these symptoms, don't panic. Awareness is the first step to healing. Your body isn't broken. It's just asking for a little extra care. Think of your circulation as a river inside you. When it flows freely, everything it touches thrives. Your energy, your focus, your glow. And every small choice you make to move, breathe, and nourish yourself helps keep that river alive. So, take a deep breath, roll your shoulders back, and remember, you're in control of your health, one mindful step at a time. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Share it with someone who might need to hear this today. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health content that empowers you to live your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, take care of your heart, your body, and your beautiful flow.